So this is how to access the e-learning platform where you can register your course fully on the e-learning portal. You just click on FULafia.online. So this is this. So having come to this place, you scroll downwards to choose. Scroll downward and then you choose undergraduate program full-time. You click on it, and then there will be display of faculties. So we are going to use faculty of computing as an example, particularly computer science department. So you choose the email you use to register your course. So you click over here, and it's showing access granted, right? So this is the access have been granted. All you have to do is come to this access granted and then click to continue. Then over here you choose your level and then the semester we currently is, which is the first semester. So you click over here, then you are going to have your list of courses from your department. So you just click over, let's say we are offering PHY 107. So you just click on PHY 07 and it will lead you to this particular page. So after you've seen this particular page, there are two options to visit the course form center or you join the Google Classroom. So firstly, you join the Google Classroom. So you click on join Google Classroom, and then it will ask you to join the class. So you join the class. So having joined the class, you see the list of courses I've joined. So these are some of the displaced courses I've joined, right? So you can go back again and you can decide to visit the course center. So visiting the course center, you see a list of videos, course materials for the particular course. So these are some of the videos available for that course, which you can use to learn as the course of your studies. So you can still go back and back again to this particular place, and then you choose another course. Let's assume you are offering FULafia CSC 111 hardware system and maintenance. So you click also the course and it takes you to this place. You join the Google Classroom, click join class, and you see it reflecting here, right? So this is how to verify that yes, you have registered. Then you go back and you can visit the course center to find resources, right? That's the course content of that particular course. So for this course, these are the PDFs. The modules for this particular course has been uploaded. You can download then and start learning immediately. So this is basically how you can gain access, or after registration of the e-learning, you gain access and utilize the e-learning portal for your academic learning basically. So this is just a simple tutorial on how you can register your courses on e-learning and gain access, and then probably learn it for your exams, which is coming up soon. It's just a quick one to remind you of that the classes are online and you can leverage on this platform. You can watch and rewatch again, so you are not restricted to watch once. You can download them and then watch later.